Hello and welcome everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create a multi-OS installer USB drive. In simple words, you can create a one bootable USB drive for multiple operating systems, and you can boot multiple operating systems such as Windows 10, 11, 7, 8 or even a Linux if you're into Linux using just one bootable USB drive. So to do this, we're going to use this software called Ventoy. This is a very popular software. Just in case if you know about this program, then I don't need to tell you guys how good this program is to create a bootable USB drive. But if you're new, just follow me. I'll show you guys how to use this program, and I will talk more about this program as we go through the video. So I will put a link in the description for the official site to download the Ventoy. You can go here and just go to the downloads, and this is actually a completely free and open source program, so don't worry about anything. Once you're in the downloads page, you can download this for Windows and Linux. Since I'm using a Windows PC, I'm just gonna have to click on where it says Windows. Just click on that. It will open the GitHub page. From here, just scroll a little bit, and again, just click on where it says windows.zip. Just click on it, and now it will get downloaded. Now you just have to go to the downloads folder, just wherever you have saved it, unzip it, go to the unzipped folder and open another folder inside it, and in here we need to run Ventoy to disk as administrator. Just run it as administrator, and don't forget to plug in your USB flash drive. Once you have plugged in your USB flash drive, just click on this icon which will auto select USB flash drive. If you have multiple USB flash drive, choose whichever you want to use, and if you have just one, it will auto select. And you can see I have only one USB flash drive, which is Jet Flash Transcend 32 GB, and make sure that you have a decent size of USB drive, because if you want to put multiple operating systems, you need enough storage for that. So this is 32 gigs one. I think I can store like 5-6 operating systems, so make sure that you have a decent USB drive. Once you have selected your USB flash drive, you can just click on install, but there are some settings that you can do. Just click on options at the top. If your PC has a secure boot enabled, then you can also enable the secure boot support, and you can also change the partition style. By default it will be MBR. You can choose whichever you want. Most of the modern computers actually support GPT, so you can also go with the GPT. So now you're ready. Just click on install. It will give you the warning that it will format your USB drive. If you have anything on your USB flash drive, please back up and then click on yes. Double check warning, just click on yes, and it will now format your disk and install Ventoy into your USB drive. Now you can see it says congratulations, Ventoy has been successfully installed to this device. Now if you go to your file manager, you will see that it will rename your USB flash drive to Ventoy. Now believe it or not, your USB drive is bootable. You can boot it from any computer, but we need to put ISO files so we can install the operating systems. So you can use multiple ISO files. That's the biggest benefit of using this tool Ventoy. So I organize my ISO files in one folder. So you can see I have a couple of ISO files that I use frequently. Okay, so all I need to do here is copy the ISO files over to Ventoy USB drive. So I'm gonna copy Windows 11, Windows 10, and let's say Ubuntu. Okay, so I'm just gonna copy these three, but if you want to, you can add as many as ISO files you want, as long as you have enough storage on your USB drive. So for this video, I'm just gonna copy these to my USB drive. It will take some time, so sit back, relax. It's too hot here, so don't forget to drink the water, stay hydrated. I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, I have finished copying the ISO files to Ventoy USB drive. Now let me give you guys a demo how it works. I'm using a VMware and this is the boot manager. So once you go to the boot manager of your computer, then just simply select the USB drive. Okay, just select that and it will open the Ventoy, something like this. And you can see a list of the operating systems ISO files that we put into it. Okay, so we have Ubuntu, Linux, Windows 10, 11. So for the demo, I'm just gonna run the Ubuntu. As you can see, it's running the Ubuntu. Now for the another quick example, I'm just gonna boot Windows 10, maybe Windows 11. Okay, and you can see Windows 11 is booting. We successfully created a multi-OS installer or multi-boot USB drive. And in my opinion, if you want to create a bootable USB drive for Linux or Windows, this is the best method. Ventoy is the best tool to create a bootable USB drive for the most common cases like Windows and Linux. And another great thing about this tool is that you can delete the ISO files or operating systems from the USB drive, just like that. And you can use the Ventoy USB drive as you use normally. We can just put the ISO file, boot it. If we don't need the ISO file, we just want to use this for personal use, delete the ISO files and put the personal files. You don't have to format your disk again and again just to create a USB bootable drive. You do it once and forget it. Just need a ISO file which you want to boot, and that's it. Done. Simply the best tool to make a bootable USB drive. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or suggestions, you can always do the comment. I'll try to help you out or just reply you. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye-bye.